Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the Apple and El Dorado burn scar in Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California until 5:30 p.m. PDT.
Of course, it has to be those
At
two burn
3:19
scars.
p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Yucaipa, Southern Mount San Gorgonio, Forest Falls, Banning, Morongo Indian Reservation, and Cherry Valley. California, Riverside, and San Bernardino.